Top 5 Best Online Interior Design Software. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. SketchUp. You cannot find a more completely free 3D modeling tool online than SketchUp, according to Cory. In addition, it's immersive enough for you to feel like you're walking through your future home while using this powerful tool. Floorplanner. You can design your space and decorate it in 2D and 3D using Floorplanner, and you don't have to download any software to get started. This tool's interior decoration function is excellent, but it's most powerful when used as a floor planner. You can then switch to 3D mode to decorate the space after the floor plan is complete. SmartDraw. Among the many floor planning tools available today, SmartDraw is another powerful one. It can be learned by anyone and is advanced enough for designers to make intricate designs using it. Planner 5D. There are many home design tools out there, but Planner 5D offers the best-looking interface. In addition to being free, this tool is immersive, which essentially means that you can explore the design with your feet practically on the ground when you're using it. HomeByMe. It's one of Cory's favorite web tools for designing homes. According to what we can tell, all of the features and functions of the app can be found to be free. This offers several perks, including the ability to have complete control over your design right up until the final stage. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.